butternut squash enchiladas. Holy you guys. All right. So first I want to make like an avocado slaw to go with it. So I got 3 avocados and we're just going to add like 2 tablespoons of lime juice, some salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to mash those all together. And then, okay, so I'm going to get bag coleslaw mix because I'm lazy and then add that in there. And then we're going to mix that all up. We're going to cover it up, put it in the fridge, let it hang out, do its thing. Then we're going to move on to the enchiladas. So we're filling, got an onion, a poblano pepper, a green pepper. We're going to get that sauteed down. And then in a different pan, our enchilada sauce, I have 3 tablespoons of oil. Into that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, and just kind of like whisk that together a little bit. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of vegetable broth after we get that incorporated. It's like low heat, by the way. And then an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce and a 4-ounce can of fire roasted green chilies. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, sugar, cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, pepper. Mix that up. And then while I have the oven preheated at like 400 degrees, I'm just going to pop some of the tortillas in there to like warm them up a little bit for like a minute. And then, okay, so once we got our onions and stuff, we're going to put the frozen butternut squash in there, but not the actual bag, and a can of black beans. And then we're going to add our seasoning. So bear with me here. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon each of paprika, red chili pepper flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. We're going to have like an enchilada making station, right? So we got like our 13x9, we got our filling, we got our corn tortillas, we got a plate because we're going to make a mess because we're going to dip each tortilla into the enchilada sauce. This is why it's important to cool it down. And then we're going to take our filling and we're just going to fill each one up, and then we're going to roll it up, and then we're going to put it in our 13x9, and we're going to do that for like, I think I was able to fit like 13 in there because it's Friday the 13th, so like lucky 13, right? And I just kind of like shoved some in the corners because I wanted to use all of the filling that I possibly could. Oh yeah, but then you also have to put some on the bottom first, so do that. And then then we got it, right? Okay, so then you're gonna put the rest of the sauce on top of the enchiladas, and then we're gonna do a little like vegan cheese on top as well, and then go like, I don't know, like 25 minutes, something like that. Just until the cheese is like, you know, you got it. And then, oh my God, you guys, it smells so freaking good. Don't forget about the avocado slaw that we made, right? So we're gonna put that on the side. I got a bite ready to go. I am so freaking excited. And okay, so I already tried it. You already know it's a voiceover. Like, hello, we're not shocking anybody. But it is so flavorful. Like, the slaw, you have to put, like, so much lime juice. But it helps, like, so much instead of, like, I don't know. It's, like, healthier, right? Because, like, avocados. Then the crunchy with the soft of the enchilada. Oh, it's perfection. So the full written recipe is linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com, and make sure you subscribe.
This is what he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.